Okay, let me introduce you to your new 2023 BMW X3 all-wheel drive. This thing is white in color. It's got black leather interior. Really nice M Sport alloy wheels. You can see there's a little M logo right here. M Sport alloy wheels. Show you the exterior of the vehicle, nice and shiny, paint's in good condition. This car only has 11,000 miles on it. I think it's 11,813 to be exact when I just got out of it. Show you the back here. It's got tinted windows, so privacy glass in the rear, tinted windows on the front. You can choose to remove those if you wanted to on the front, but it already has it on there. Dual exhaust in the back. It's clean. I mean, with only 11,000 miles on it, obviously it hasn't been driven very much. Lots of cool features. I was just inside playing with the infotainment system. It's got navigation. It's got a nice big, moonroof on the top. Keyless entry. Lots of cool stuff. Show you around the exterior, then we'll jump into the inside here. Those headlights look pretty cool there. Victory Honda of Plymouth, when we sell pre-owned vehicles, everything comes with a guarantee, 3 months, 3,000 miles. Basically just like the factory warranty, bumper to bumper. So rest assured you're getting a car that's been through our service department. We make sure we check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Brakes, fluids, filters, tires, everything gets checked. It's up to specification. Then we back it with a warranty. 3 months, 3,000 miles, bumper to bumper. Of course, you could always get an extended warranty if you wanted to go longer. Let me show you the memory seating right there, power locks, power windows. It's got this nice wood grain trim here. It's like a dark color. Power seats, you see it on the side there. It's gonna be professionally detailed. We detail them inside and out. You can see the dash with the miles, 11,813 miles. You can see the navigation or the map system there on the dash, the infotainment system. Here's one of the keys, but it comes with 2 keys. Some more of your buttons, your start and stop button here. This is to control the different stuff on the infotainment system, different ride modes, comfort, sport, eco. Your auto start stop button, if you want to turn that off, you can turn it off. You got parking sensors. Show you the other side here. Seat, the leather's in really good condition. Panoramic roof. Show you the back seat there. Again, only 11,000 miles, so this one is super clean. Let me just jump out and show you the back. If you look in the back seat there, like I said, it's super clean. We'll show you in the way back. It's got a cargo cover there. Again, the moonroof. Let's go ahead and open this up. XDrive means all-wheel drive, of course. There's the back spare tire stuff, or your compartment underneath. Your cover that extends to cover up anything you have in the back. Power tailgate, so I hit the button, it shuts on its own. Come check it out today, Victory Honda of Plymouth. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. Or at 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. We look forward to helping you out.